Let's connect HP NY6120E to your PC or Mac. Step 1. Connect your printer to Wi-Fi. Press the menu button. Scroll down and find Settings. Select Network. Select Wi-Fi. Hit Start next to Wi-Fi setup. Find your Wi-Fi network name and tap on that. Hit Next. Tap in the password field. Use on-screen keyboard to enter your Wi-Fi password. Then press OK. Press Submit. Check your information and press OK. The printer is connected. Step 2. Finish setup on your computer. Make sure your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer. Then install HP Smart application from Microsoft Store or App Store. Open the application. Click Yes if you see this window. Accept all or decline optional data. Hit Set up a new printer. Allow precise location permission. Hit Continue. Hit Yes. Click on the printer style with the Online mark. Accept all or decline optional data. Enter your printer PIN. The PIN is typed on the product label on the back panel of your printer. Click Submit. Click Do not activate HP Plus. You can do it later. Decline HP Plus. Continue. Step 3. Sign in to your HP account. Make sure you have some paper in the paper tray and continue setup. Enable auto updates. Save your settings. Send installation link to other devices or skip this step. Print a test page or skip this step as well. Now you can print, scan and copy from HP Smart application on your computer.